What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. I'm your host P5, aka Pick Up a Penguin, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. And on today's episode of Nice Bit of Kit That, we're just gonna do a cheeky little unboxing, and yeah, let's get into it. You already know how we do this. Oh. Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot. So normally when we're dropping it like it's hot, we are doing 2 feet bare creps, but we are doing Nice Bit of Kit That, and that's because I have a cheeky little something. Yeah, let me just give you that. You see that? That is a Plurimus box, and inside Plurimus box, what do we have? As you can see, we've got the Plurimus Design Studio, Bologna, Italy. Shout out Fabio. So today, guys, we have a Plurimus number S19. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, should we get in? Oh God, not again. Guys, I know, I swear to God, I did not plan this. I'm not even well. Like, I just thought, let me do this quickly just to get it out of the way, because I feel something coming on. So yeah, God. Bear with me. I'll be right back again. Alright, we back. I got a razor blade, you know what I'm saying? God, it's so much easier when you have the right tools to do the job. Look at that, smooth as hell. Just cutting through it like a knife on butter. What are we doing here? Bear with me, guys. I got to figure out how they package this. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I think I got it. Oh yeah, I got it. Let me show you that. Let me show you what we're working with. Boom. That's little side bits as well, you know what I'm saying? Thank God for the razor blade. I would have torn this whole thing to shreds. Yeah, guys, I'm not feeling great, man. I'm not lying. Yeah, I think I'm coming down. Anyway, that's all bye. So, let me give you a little lookage. That's what you get when you open the box, the Plurimus box. So let's just take this out and see what we have. So we have a nice little black cardboard box right there. You know what I'm saying? Nice and sturdy, not a flimsy block box at all. Let's put that there, and then we'll get into it. So I'll put the box there. Oops, pardon me, guys. So you've got a nice Plurimus sticker. Again, a proper quality sticker, like a vinyl sticker. It's not one of them sort of paper ones. It's actually super dope. That's the logo right there. Really dope sticker. That I love a sticker. Of course, you have the card. You know, the sort of marque d'authenticité, etc., etc. This is Italian, so I should be trying to speak Italian, but I can't. I'll just give you a little look at that. As you can see. Plurimus Design Studio, Bologna, Italy. And here it says, Plurimus focuses on creating technical outerwear of strong military inspiration while experimenting with the concept of modularity. The concept behind Plurimus is the one of developing sets instead of developing collections. The NO_SO code stands for number set, but also for no season. The concept of no season is one of the key concepts behind the project. Plurimus sets will not be released following the usual seasonal rhythm dictated by the fashion industry, but following the concept of inspiration instead. Plurimus garments are entirely manufactured in Italy in small numbers using the best available fabrics and accessories. And yeah, so Plurimus di Fabio Cavina, and Fabio is the owner, and yeah, boom. Really dope. I love that. You know, I just love that. This is on some nice, as you can hear it, you know, proper card. It's not, you know, and it's got a sheen to it. Really nice. Just little touches like that, you know. It means that they've put effort into, you know, being a high quality brand. So now you have this plastic, I guess you'd call it dust cover, and let me just show you the dust cover, how that works. You've got the Plurimus logo right there, and then you've got Plurimus Design Studio, Bologna, Italy. Okay, so guys, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, talk, get to the design at hand, back to the matter at hand. Alright, I'm about to get to the matter at hand. Ooh. Let me just move this. And here we have a Plurimus number 19 overshirt. And yeah, guys, as you can see right there, let me get that in. Boom, size medium I went for. I don't know what the size is. Yeah, that's what it looked like, guys. I will give you a full review on the next episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. But yeah, I'm sure you guys will be interested to see what this piece is all about. I'm just gonna say off the bat, feels nice. There's some little hidden little things that you know you guys will really be interested in, and yeah, it feels different, feels beautiful. And I finally managed to cop one. You know, I keep missing. They do their drops at, you know, random, and this is one of 99. They normally do 99 pieces, and this is one of 99. I don't know what number, but I'll check, and when I do the review, I'll let you know. Alright guys, I hope you're looking forward to this, and yeah, I'm looking forward to showing it to you. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it. Like I said, I feel like I'm coming down with something, but you know, I always look out for you lot, so I'm not going to leave you waiting too long. I've got a couple bits that I need to do, and this is part of a series. So I'm doing 3 independent labels, and this is part of a series. So yeah, we'll get to it. Anyway guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P Fire, aka P Blocked Nose, Blocked Head. I just feel kind of cloudy, and this has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. And you guys as always are beautiful. Thank you for all my subscribers and for all the love, man. Like I said, yeah, I appreciate you guys so much, man. Yeah, I really do. So mad love to you always, man. I hope you guys watch to the end of this video, because that's where I show all my love. But if not, I guess you won't see this. Peace, gang.